What if the best solutions for dementia care weren't found in a pharmacy? Let's explore alternative non-pharmacological therapies that spark joy, reduce stress, and improve the quality of life. Alternative therapies go beyond the traditional and focus on creative, sensory, and holistic approaches to dementia care. They don't just treat symptoms, they enhance well-being in truly innovative ways. For example, pet therapy introduces furry companions that can lower anxiety and bring smiles. Studies show that even brief interactions with animals can calm restlessness and create a sense of connection. Then there's dance therapy, which blends light movement with music. It's not just about exercise, it's about joy, rhythm, and reconnecting with life through motion. But that's just the beginning. Stay with me as I share more creative therapies you might not have heard of yet. Imagine a therapy where your loved one feels the calming rhythm of waves on their hands. That's aquatic therapy. Gentle, water-based exercises that reduce pain, improve balance, and offer moments of tranquility. Then there's storytelling therapy. This creative approach uses shared narratives to stimulate imagination and build emotional connections. Caregivers and loved ones can craft stories together, turning fleeting moments into lasting memories. Even something as simple as gardening therapy. Getting hands dirty in soil, watering plants, or enjoying the fresh air can reduce stress and encourage mindfulness. Each of these therapies brings a unique angle to dementia care, focusing on experiences that uplift and engage. Alternative therapies remind us that caregiving isn't just about managing dementia, it's about finding joy in the journey. Whether it's through pets, music, or even plants, these creative approaches offer new ways to connect. Curious to learn more? My upcoming shorts will break down these therapies one by one, giving you practical ideas to try at home. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss them. If this video gave you new ideas, please like and share it with someone who might benefit. For more tips and resources, check out my YouTube channel. Together we can explore these inspiring therapies and build a compassionate caregiving community. Thank you for watching.